Present simple. I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. You are. They are. Present continuous. I am being. You are being. He, she, it is being. We are being. You are being. They are being. Present perfect. I have been. You have been. He, she, it has been. We have been. You have been. They have been. Present perfect continuous. I have been being. You have been being. He, she, it has been being. We have been being. You have been being. They have been being. Past simple. I was. You were. He, she, it was. We were. You were. They were. Past continuous. I was being. You were being. He, she, it was being. We were being. You were being. They were being. Past perfect. I had been. You had been. He, she, it had been. We had been. You had been. They had been. Past perfect continuous. I had been being. You had been being. He, she, it had been being. We had been being. You had been being. They had been being. Future simple. I will be. You will be. He, she, it will be. We will be. You will be. They will be. Future continuous. I will be being. You will be being. He, she, it will be being. We will be being. You will be being. They will be being. Future perfect. I will have been. You will have been. He, she, it will have been. We will have been. You will have been. They will have been. Future perfect continuous. I will have been being. You will have been being. He, she, it will have been being. We will have been being. You will have been being. They will have been being.